Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Phantom Wallet on iPhone. Uninstalling the Phantom Wallet for my iPhone is simple, but there's one important thing to understand first. Deleting the app does not delete your crypto. Your funds are stored on the blockchain and are tied to your secure recovery phrase and not the app itself. So before you uninstall, make sure you already have your recovery phrase saved safely. Otherwise, you won't be able to access your wallet again. So first, what you can do is you can simply go to your home page and find your Phantom Wallet. And once you find your Phantom Wallet, you need to simply press and hold the app icon until this icon pops out. What you can do is you can simply tap on the remove app in the top there, and it will again ask you to delete here. You can simply tap delete for the confirmation, and the app will be removed instantly from your iPhone. And after that, the app is now removed from your iPhone. Your wallet is not deleted. Your crypto remains safe on the blockchain, and you can restore your wallet anytime using a recovery phrase as well. And if you're uninstalling for security reasons, also change connected app permissions if you want to, and you can simply move your funds to a new wallet, which is very optional. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to uninstall Phantom Wallet on your iPhone successfully. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.